So I've gone ahead and logged into my Microsoft 365 account, or it could be that you think of it still as an Office 365 account, which is fine. I've logged in and I'm on my workspace here. And if you look at the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the Office logo up the top, the menu option. I'm just going to close that again. And in this menu here, I've got a lot of applications and I've got a plus up there. It's got a create button. If I click on that, I can see the most common products I'd want to create, a Word document or a PowerPoint presentation, but I also have the option to create a form. I could also create a quiz. I'll show that to you in a different module, but we're going to do the forms first. And I'm going to take you through what you can do in a form. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to open a new form for us. And I'm just going to take you through the layout of the application first. On the top bar, which we call the ribbon, we can see our personal information, and under that, the preview button, which we're going to go through. Every time you make changes, you can go in and preview it. We can add themes to our form. We can share it with other people inside and outside our organization. And under the three dots, that's the more settings button, we find our settings. We can choose if the form is going to be multilingual, and we can get some feedback, give some feedback to Microsoft with regard to the form. The form itself initially is really blank. We have the tab for the questions, we have no title as yet, and we have a button to add whatever we need to add to the form. And on the other tab, we see the responses. And I'm going to go through all of those separately. So let's have a look at building up our form.